Hi! Today I'm excited to show you what I put together in a beginner sewing basket for my daughter. Let's get started. The first item I'm going to put in her sewing basket is this plastic canvas. And this is a really good starting point for somebody beginning cross stitch or embroidery. You can see here she's kind of already started her own pattern of what she wants to do. I picked this for her starting point too because I feel like the needle that is used for these size holes is a little more blunt than the needle used for cross stitching and hand sewing. And so if she does poke herself, it won't hurt as much. So I really like this as a beginner canvas, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in her sewing basket. Next, I have a couple of embroidery hoops. In this first one, I put the type of fabric that you can cross stitch with, where you can see the little squares. And so if she wants to start trying out cross stitch, I thought this would be a great thing to have in her sewing kit, or her sewing basket. And in this one, I just have some fabric, and she can move this around as she wants. She can play around with embroidery on here, but I also thought this would be a good place to practice sewing on buttons. So I have a jar of buttons that I'm also going to put in the basket with all the other items. Next, I have yarn. So this is the yarn she was using for her flowers that she was doing. And then I also have some embroidery floss, which is a little thinner for the embroidery hoops that she has in there and for sewing on buttons. So I'm going to put these in her sewing basket as well. The last two things I have here are her sewing needles and scissors. So I'm going to put these in the basket so that she has those ready and available for her. So there you have it, the beginner sewing basket I put together for my daughter. I think this is a great idea to have everything in one spot, that she can just grab the basket and take it to any room she wants to work on her projects. And I love how cute it is, and I think she's really gonna love this. Let me know in the comments down below what else you would put in your beginner sewing basket, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.